Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for any aspiring gardener, starting seeds indoors. While it might seem simple enough, there are some common mistakes that can trip you up along the way. But don't worry, we've got your back. Let's jump right in and talk about the 7 biggest mistakes made when starting seeds indoors. 1. Not enough light. One of the biggest mistakes folks make is not giving their seedlings enough light. Plants need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. If you're starting seeds indoors, you'll need to mimic the sun's natural rays with grow lights. Make sure your lights are positioned close enough to the seedlings, and keep them on for about 12-16 hours a day. Remember, light is like food for plants. 2. Overwatering. The classic rookie mistake, overwatering. It's easy to drown your poor seedlings with kindness. But here's the thing, plants need water, but they also need oxygen. So make sure your soil is moist, but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. And always use well-draining soil to prevent root rot. 3. Using the wrong containers. Now, let's talk containers. It might be tempting to use any old pot lying around the house, but not all containers are created equal. Avoid using containers without drainage holes, as they can lead to waterlogged soil and unhappy plants. Opt for trays or pots specifically designed for seed starting, and your seedlings will thank you later. 4. Ignoring temperature. Just like Goldilocks and her porridge, seedlings like their environment to be just right, not too hot, not too cold, but just perfect. Most seeds germinate best at a consistent temperature between 65-75 F1824 CE. Invest in a thermometer to monitor the temperature in your seed starting area, and consider using a heating mat if things are too chilly. 5. Crowding seedlings. Picture this, a crowded subway during rush hour. Not fun, right? Well, it's the same for seedlings. Crowding them together can lead to competition for resources like light, water, and nutrients. Give your seedlings plenty of space to spread out and grow by planting them in separate containers or trays. Trust me, they'll appreciate the elbow room. 6. Skipping hardening off. The great outdoors, a place of sunshine, fresh air, and shock for your tender seedlings. If you skip the hardening off process, your seedlings might not be prepared for the big, wide world outside. Before transplanting them into the garden, gradually expose your seedlings to outdoor conditions over the course of a week or 2. It'll toughen them up and help prevent transplant shock. 7. Neglecting air circulation. Last but not least, let's talk about air circulation. Stagnant air can lead to all sorts of problems like mold, damping off, and weak stems. Keep the air moving around your seedlings with a gentle breeze from a fan. Just make sure it's not too strong. We're aiming for a light, refreshing breeze, not a hurricane. And there you have it. Folks, the 7 biggest mistakes made when starting seeds indoors. But now that you know what to avoid, you'll be well on your way to seed starting success. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!